So if you've just clicked on this video, you're probably asking yourself, who is this kid and how's he gonna make you 10k per month? How's he gonna make you money online? Well, quite frankly, my friend, it's up to you. I'm only here to present to you the information I used to get 10k per month. I went from 0 to 10k per month within 2 months after reading this book, and I want you guys to have the same success as me. So guys, please do listen, write down as many notes as you can, and try and follow along. This is very simple. If you can't follow this guide, then I don't think you'll be able to follow anything in life. So please do, and yeah, good luck, my friends. Okay.
Testing. Okay.
If you save a little money now, you're not a millionaire. If you go to the gym 3 days in a row, you're still going to be fat and out of shape. We make a few changes, but the results never seem to come quick, and we slide back into our previous routines. Habits are a double-edged sword. Bad habits can cut you down just as easy as good habits can build you up. Breakthrough moments are often the result of many previous actions, which builds up the potential required to unleash a major change. Okay guys, so coming up here is a very important analogy you have to get right. So bamboo can barely be seen for the first 5 years as it builds up its extensive root system underground before exploding 90 feet into the air within 6 weeks. For me, I came out of nowhere after struggling for years with my entrepreneur journey, and you might as well. See, for the bamboo, imagine your foundation is dirt and soil, or sand and quick soil, or some shit like that. You're not even going to be able to start building. You need a solid foundation, steel, concrete. You need something. You need information. You need people. You need a team. You need people. You need all that stuff before you can start building, man. So keep that in mind, man. Like, I had to get a team assembled. That's my example. I had to get a team assembled. It was just me. I had to get a team, man. You have to go in Discord. You have to get a foundation, basically. Habits often appear to make no difference until you cross a critical threshold and unlock a new level of performance. In the early and middle stages of any quest, there is often a valley of disappointment. You expect to make progress in a linear fashion, and it's frustrating how ineffective changes can seem during the first days, weeks, and even months. It doesn't feel like you're going anywhere, and it's a hallmark of any compounding process. But the most powerful outcomes are always delayed. They're delayed for a reason, because then you actually appreciate them, boys. When you finally break through, people will call it an overnight success. The outside world sees the most dramatic event rather than all that precedes it. But no, the work you done long ago, when it seemed you weren't making any progress, that makes the jump today possible. So hopefully you do get to that point, okay? This is a really good quote that I took from the book. When nothing seems to help, I go look at a stonecutter, hammering away at his rock perhaps 100 times without as much as a crack shown in it. Yeah, at the 101st blow, it will split in two, and I know that's not the last blow that did it, but all that had gone before. Like, for example, if you're doing backflips, and you done it 101 times and you finally got it, then 100 times that you failed weren't a waste, because if you didn't fail 100 times, you wouldn't have succeeded that one time. Goals are all about the results you want to achieve. Systems are about the process that lead to those results. Goals are something you aim for. Systems, you need a system to get there. Okay, so if you're running a YouTube channel, your goal is to get views, and your system is to edit, to pick a niche, to have a good thumbnail so people actually watch, be engaging or whatnot. So yeah, if you want better results, then forget about the goals and focus on your system instead. That is very valuable. Winners and losers all have the same goals. Losers want to be winners, and winners want to be winners. Goals have always been there. It was when they implemented a system of continuous small improvements that they achieved a different outcome. Fix the inputs and the outputs will fix themselves. The purpose of setting goals is to win the game. The purpose of building systems is to continue playing the game. Wow. It's not about a single accomplishment. It is about the cycle of endless refinement and continuous improvement. Ultimately, it is your commitment to the process that will determine your progress. Focus on the overall system rather than a single goal, guys. So yeah, that's all I have here. I would give you a lot more, but I don't think we have enough time for that. But just figure out your system before you go for it, man. Because if you just go for it, let's say we're playing snakes and ladders, you just go for it, you're just gonna fall down the ladder, man. But if you find out a system to avoid the ladder, you're actually going to get there. Quickly, another thing. Like, if I didn't start cold calling, I'd be still where you guys are. I'd be probably watching another self-improvement video on YouTube. Like, those don't help. I mean, this video, I mean, hopefully it helps, because like I learned that from a book. I feel like books are way more important than actual videos. And I mean, I hope you write that down. If you didn't write it down, it's gonna go straight through your fucking mindless brain. Oh, just another thing, guys. If you didn't write anything down, I suggest you go back and you write shit down, because this is just gonna go right over your head, man. And it might make much sense for you right now. You're gonna be like, oh, what the fuck, you just scammed me out of my time. No, I didn't, man. Like, you're obviously brand new to this if you think this was a scam, because guys, all this is gonna come up. You're gonna face an obstacle and you have to overcome it somehow, and this information, this insight will definitely assist you in that. And it brought me from 0 to 10k. Alright, boys, so face your fears, man. Let's get it. Let's go.